This is an example of
He would have won.
Yeah, what? I'm gonna put up my description. This thing is only 1 minute long, so I'm gonna put my 55 to 2, 2, 1.